Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnail on Photoshop. Go to file, new, width 1280 and height 720. Also you can change the resolution 72 to 300, then click OK. Here you can see new canvas is there. Just go to Chrome and choose two thumbnail background images just like yellowish or whatever you want. Just copy and simply Ctrl V, then paste. Then I am going to use second images, wow images. Just copy and simply just paste it, Ctrl V. Then I am going to make selection. I want to remove background. Make sure selection is perfect, then simply just Ctrl J. You can see layer 3 is above. Also you can delete layer 2. Simply just layer 3 click and simply Ctrl T. You can change size whatever you want and perfect. You can also rotate this. Then I am going to blending option. Then I am going to use stroke outer side. I am going to size around 2 pixel whatever you want outside. I am going to use a 2-3 pixel. Choose whatever you want. Make sure your opacity is 100%. Also you can use outer glow such as like pink. Size make sure is perfect. Opacity is 100%. I'm going to use outer glow white and then hit OK. You can see the result looks beautiful. Now I'm going to use text. I'm going to text Gotham Black. You can also Google it and download it. I'm going to write YouTube and simply text size is bigger like this, and you can also change the color whatever you want, but I'm going to use rectangular tool. Then simply just click it. Inside make sure that glow or choose color red whatever you want. I'm going to use red. Simply black, and rectangular one is below the YouTube. You can also see right bottom. Also you can simply merge it if you want. Then go to move tool, then alt key and press simply left click, and then simply down this. Make sure that YouTube is copied. Then YouTube and rectangular, you can simply merge it. That's why you can do Ctrl T, press Ctrl T, and you can resize your YouTube size. Choose whatever you want. You want to outer glow, inner glow, do whatever you want. Perfect. Also use every option. Make sure your text is beautiful, look like outer glow, inner glow, gradient, do whatever you want. Then go to Then go to move tool and select YouTube, then alt key, press left key. So that's why you copy that and click then text, and you can also change the text, like I am replacing YouTube to thumbnail. Then I am going to use rectangular tool. Next I am going to use text size, do whatever you want, jersey type style. I am going to search it. You know what, this looks beautiful. Then I am writing how to make YouTube thumbnail. Also you can see, simply resize it and simply center it on YouTube above, then hit OK. Then go to how to make the text layer and simply just go to outer glow. Double click on it, layer style. I am going to use stroke outer side. Looks beautiful. Opacity is 100%. Inner glow around. You know what? Just copy this my settings. And outer glow also. Outer glow I am using pink color. Opacity is 100%. And looks perfect, and hit OK. Then you have to do it how to make then YouTube, then thumbnail. Simply shift and drag it all and all selection, make sure you selected. Then simply control and right click. You can also move it. Change size, whatever you want, make it perfect. Also you can use lens around this. I hope you guys like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I will see you next video.